Alright, we're going to do a little update video on the seeds that I sowed a couple days ago. Let's check out how they've done. Now, I have had to add a little bit of water into these guys because they were a little bit starting to dry out a little bit on the bottom of the paper towel. But that's how they look. Let's open this up and show you guys what I see here. Yeah, I added a little bit of water this morning. They were looking a little dry, at least on one half of the paper towel. You can kind of see they've got these little tails starting to just poke out of the ends, like right there. That's a pretty good example. Right there and right there. They're lighter than the rest of the seed, but that's where they're starting to sprout. Then when they get a little longer and start looking a little more like a tail, then I'll transfer them over to an actual tray into some actual growing medium. But we're going to put that back for now. Alright. These heat mats seem to be doing the trick. As you can kind of see, this is causing a greenhouse kind of situation where the condensation's going on the bag. But yeah, if you missed the last video, check it out. This kind of setup I explained in the last video. So if you haven't seen the first video to this seed sowing, check it out. Maybe leave a like. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. Awesome. This is my second long form video. It's an update to the first one where I germinate tomatoes. If you haven't watched it or are curious about my grow setup or tomato varieties, maybe check out the first one, maybe? And if it inspires you or you learn something, maybe leave a like. In a couple days I'll do another update video where I show the growth stages of these seeds and what I do. Okay, bye.